Cambly learners! My name is Amanda and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today we are going to learn all about clothes. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with some vocabulary. Repeat after me. Shirt. This is my shirt. My shirt is blue. Good, very good. Pants. These are his pants. His pants are red. Sweater. This is a sweater. The sweater is green. Shoes. These are my shoes. My shoes are black. Shorts. These are his shorts. His shorts are red. Dress. This is a dress. Her dress is white. Hat. This is a hat. The hat is blue. What clothes are you wearing today? I am wearing a shirt. What colors are your clothes? My shirt is black. Great work! Now let's practice using these words in some more sentences. Repeat after me. I wear a shirt. I like to wear shirts in the summer. He is wearing green pants. I fold my pants. I zip up my sweater. It's cold outside, so don't forget a sweater. I tie my shoes. They are wearing black shoes. I put on my shorts. He likes to wear shorts in the summer. She hangs her dress. She is wearing a beautiful dress. He puts on his hat. He wears a warm hat in the winter. Great work today! You did an excellent job. Did you have fun? If you enjoyed today's lesson, you should try Cambly Kids. You can learn English in a fun and exciting way with teachers just like me. Ask your parent to schedule you a lesson in the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.